Hello everyone, welcome to Lyric Automation. My name is Felix. I'm the CEO for the international business. Today, I will show you our RGVs for intelligent warehouse solution. This is our 4-way pallet shuttle. This shuttle can carry up to 1,000 kg goods and move in 4 directions. Also, this shuttle supports the so-called wireless network communication and can achieve the full automated transportation. It can shuttle in different layers very smoothly to ensure the maximum of the storage density and also the access efficiency. This is our 2-way shuttle for material box. This shuttle can move the material box in different levels and have a loading of 40 kg. This shuttle can also have a maximum speed of 4 meters per minute, and also the positioning accuracy is ±3 mm. This RGV system can not only help you improve the efficiency, but also support you to reduce the manpower cost and also the error rates, especially when you handle the small items frequently in and out of the warehouse. We are constantly working hard to provide our customer with the best service and solution by the latest design for software and hardware, and also the better safety standards and non-stop innovation. Thank you for watching. I hope you will be here very soon in person. See you next time.